High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquia for those of you who are new, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a sewing, not tutorial, because it's not really a tutorial, because y'all, this hair took me like a week, 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, a week to do, because I had to I did it one time and then I undid it and I had to redo it. It was just a lot. But it's just going to be the chaotic process of how I achieve this look. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing me do this style, and if you're interested on the hair deets, keep on watching. Hey guys, so before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of the hair. This is the package and everything that comes with it. It has a manual, you know, the whole spiel. If you've watched any of my Queen Weave Beauty hair videos, you know what comes in the box. But yeah, these are the bundles. They sent me 4 bundles of the deep wave hair texture. 2 of the bundles are 24 inches and the other 2 are 26 inches. Did I get that right? Yeah, 2 24s and 2 26s. The hair comes in this natural 1B color, but y'all know me, I love to dye all my bundles jet black, so I dyed it jet black, and that's how that looked like. And these are the length of the bundles as well. So like I said, this video isn't a sewing tutorial, it's more of a simple styling video and a review of the hair. At the time of this upload, I've had this sewing in installed for exactly 1 month, so I've gotten to learn the hair and the texture and what it likes and doesn't like. In comparison to Queen Weave Beauty's kinky curly hair, this hair is so much more less maintenance, and I think that's obvious due to the loose pattern of the curls. You don't need to worry about the strenuous detangling process because it just doesn't tangle that much, or it doesn't tangle easily. And throughout my time wearing this hair, I've managed it by always keeping it twist up before going to bed. So I will put like 4 or 5 twists in it, and I will also twist up my natural hair so that it remains tangle free. But there have been times where I was lazy and I didn't twist the hair, and when I would detangle it so it can look normal again, it was quick and easy and it didn't really take much effort. In terms of moisture, I think all bundles, whether it's deep wave, kinky, curly, loose wave, they all require some level of moisture. If you think about your own natural hair, it's much better when it's moisturized so that it's not drying and breaking off. But that goes without saying that extensions are also better when they're moisturized. Throughout wearing this hair, I kept this hair moisturized through lots and lots of water. This hair loves water, y'all. So just make sure you have your little spray bottle filled up at all times. But besides that, I've also used a leave-in conditioner. This just keeps the hair soft and less frizzy and provides extra moisture as well. But in general, this is a very easy, manageable texture to deal with. I honestly don't recall having to suffer while having this install in, so that's a good thing. But just a disclaimer, I am someone who likes to take good care of their hair extensions, and I would treat it the same way as I do my natural hair in terms of I wash it, I condition it, if it needs oiling, I do oil. If it needs a treatment, I put a treatment through it. I just take care of my extensions because I want them to last. In my past videos, I've seen comments saying that Queen Weave Beauty hair isn't good, and I just find that hard to believe because even before I started working with them, I used to purchase their hair with my own money back in high school and college, and I've never gotten a bad bundle. I still have bundles from them to this day, and I just need people to realize that just because you have hair extensions doesn't mean you don't take care of them. If you want them to actually last and be worth your money, please take care of them. That just goes without saying. Just take care of the hair extensions, find out what products work best for the hair extensions, and just take care of them because these are investments and you want your investments to last as long as you can. Like, I don't know, but that's just me. Please, please, please take care of your extensions, you guys. Like, I cannot stress it enough. At the end of the day, it may not be growing out of your hair naturally, but it's still hair. You still have to take care of it. But yeah, enough of that. This hair texture was really fun to wear, in all honesty. It was a little different because if you're new to my channel, I usually wear textures that are similar to my own hair texture. So the kinky curlies, the kinky straights, but I genuinely love switching it up with this texture and trying something different with my look. It was fun for me. I feel like this hair is perfect for the spring and summertime, especially if you're going on vacation. Oh my gosh, this is super low maintenance. You don't have to do too much and it just gives. I would say The only hard part for me was blending my leave out with the hair, but once I figured it out, and you guys will see that later, it was good. I didn't have no problems with it. So I feel like the best way to blend your leave out with these bundles would be using flexi rods or a wand curl. But yeah, like I said, it's a great texture to experiment with and try different styles with. Even when my leave out was getting old and needed a refresher, I would just throw it in a half up, half down, and it was cute. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the hair and all the details, everything will be linked in the description, so make sure to check that out, and also let me know your thoughts in the comments. But yeah, let's move on to styling. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of days. I literally twisted the hair up. I haven't really styled the hair yet. I have 4 twists in it, and this is how the hair looks like after I took the twist out. It's cute. It's very nice. But the issue here is just trying to blend my hair. I'm gonna take the headband off so you guys can see. Yeah, so I haven't really figured out the best way to blend my leave out. If you guys are new to my channel, one thing I advocate is making sure your extensions match the texture of your hair, you know? But sometimes, you know, sometimes when you want to experiment, it's not always gonna match. I mean, I feel like even in the camera it's not good, but yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is just straighten. Like, I don't know, like I've been watching videos of people who've gotten like deep wave sew-ins to see what the heck they do to blend their leave out. I'm just gonna put some heat protectant and we're gonna flat comb my leave out down. One thing about my hair, especially like my natural hair, I don't think it even cares that I put heat in it. It's gonna be like, no, I'd rather stay coarse, which is fine, you know, girl, do your thing. You're naturally that way. I understand, but like, damn. Some people can straighten their hair, their natural hair, and it like actually straightens. Mine barely straightens. Like, I have to keep going over and over, and here goes nothing. I feel like this hot comb is not even hot enough. Like, please. I'm gonna just take my flat iron and just run it through to see what the heck I'm gonna do, because I'm figuring this out as you all are watching this. So what?
And even called to get it approved. And once again, Taylor Swift's team was denying that they had knowledge that the lyric was.
Hey man, what's up?
And then July 17th, 20.
Okay, so now that everything is straightened, I'm not gonna lie, I should have put what are those things called? Rods. What are they called? Flexi rods. I'm just gonna comb out like the roots of the hair of the bundles so it can like be more bushy. Because if I had flexi rods, I would have like been able to flexi rod my hair and the bundles together, and then when I take it out, it will be all nice. But I didn't think to do that. I didn't think to do that. So it's just gonna have to give like this. Like, those of you who be judging everybody and they leave out, don't leave me alone. Do not comment in my comment section talk about some about my leave out. Actually, comment. I don't even care. One thing about me, I don't care for negative comments. Y'all don't know me. The heck? Foolish.
I'm gonna take my wax stick and just try to like tame down the flyaways from my natural hair. I'm trying to figure out how I can like have this up. I think I flat ironed my hair a little too much because it's like falling flat. And I want it to be like that, like really big. Okay guys, so I'm finished. This was what I was able to achieve with the flip over method. Like I said, I really should have used flexi rods the night before, but I've been working on this video for too many days and I'm tired. I'm literally tired, but I will definitely use flexi rods in the future to see how it will come out. And when I do that, I'll put that on TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure to follow me on TikTok so you guys can see. But this is how the hair is looking like. It's so pretty. I love like the big hair moment. Like I'm wearing black so you can't see. Okay, if I do like this you can kind of see, but like look at this. Like this is literally so freaking pretty. Like but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the hair and the sewing and everything. Leave your suggestions down below in terms of what I should do with my leave out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.